Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pillow Talk Weekly,
monthly,
which we have to change now because we came out of the last episode last month and it was pointed out to us that we haven't been posting weekly. That's because we already had this in mind. We were going to change this to Pillow Talk Monthly from the beginning, and now we're back with a new episode. So today again we have a few news articles, great reels to share with you guys, and just make sure that you guys comment on this video because no one commented on the last one, which is why
thanks for all the support, guys. Thanks everyone.
no one commented.
You know who you are.
So make sure you do that this time. And
If you're a true friend, comment "I'm a true friend" part 2.
it didn't work last time. I don't think it's gonna work this time, but it's worth a try. Why not? Right. So without any further
Delay.
That's a better word.
Without any further
What I was
delay of
going
1
to
month.
say. Yeah, we'll jump into the first video or the first news article that we have.
The first news article that I have for you, Jay, today is something which is extremely funny. We all know what happened at the UNGA recently, where Miss Neha Dubey, what a wonderful speech.
I haven't heard the speech, but I'm sure it was great.
Pathetic, Jay. But anyway, in the aftermath of that, there was one news reporter from Aaj Tak who felt as if Neha Dubey had to oblige her with an interview.
Yeah? Nobody gives you the right. Nobody gives you the right.
It wasn't Neha Dupia.
I said Neha Dubey. So, Neha Dubey had to oblige her with an interview.
Of course, Aaj Tak.
Obviously.
You've got to do it.
Yeah, because she's just an IFS officer. She's not something who has done much in her life. But anyway, this is what exactly happened.
इस वक्त आज तक पर सीधा चलते हैं। एक सेकंड, हमारे साथ स्नेहा दुबे यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं। स्नेहा दुबे वही अधिकारी है, फर्स्ट सेक्रेटरी, जिसको पूरे देश ने इतने गर्व के साथ सुना है। मुझे पता है आप ऑन रिकॉर्ड बात नहीं करना चाहेंगी, पर अगर आप बताएं, क्योंकि पूरा हिंदुस्तान आज आपको सुनना चाह रहा है। सबने आपका यूएन में, जो आपके लिए शायद रूटीन काम है, बट बहुत बड़ी चीज है ये।
हम लोग जो हमें बोलना था हमने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया है। प्लीज,
आपने वहां पर अपनी बात कह दी है। जो ऑफिशियली जो स्टेटमेंट तैयार होता है वो बात आपने वहां पर कह दी है अपनी तरफ से। थैंक यू। चलिए, तो आपने देखा स्नेहा दुबे यहाँ पर मौजूद थी।
एक सेकंड आपने कुछ काम करा क्या यूएन पे?
आपके लिए नॉर्मल है।
बताओ ना।
आपके लिए कॉमन है। This is such a bad cover up.
I think it was a solid cover.
No, once you know, you've been told to fuck off.
आपने बहुत अच्छा काम, आपने जो बोला वो बोल दिया।
हाँ, हम जाते हैं।
Sad part is that Sneha Dubey didn't even say yes कि हाँ मैंने बोल दिया। उसने बोला कि आप जाइए, आपका हो गया।
She said this. On to our second more serious story. At this point there was a shootout at Rohini High Court, if I'm not wrong, where apparently somehow two goons entered and
as lawyers,
and
not as goons.
yeah,
they were wearing the
dressed as lawyers,
and they entered. No one could figure out that they were not lawyers. So all of you guys who are studying law, there's no point, guys. You can just enter without a degree.
just wear a robe and enter. But don't carry firearms with you, because that could lead you into serious trouble. But besides that, I think this is a scary video. I watched it once, but I don't want to watch it again because I felt scared. But here we go.
मार दिया होगा बस।
So according to this article, I think
Three
both
people.
the gang, like all the gangster and the two goons who entered, all of them, I think, were shot dead, one way or another. But this is a major lapse in security.
Yeah.
Thankfully, I don't have to go to court for any hearing till now.
Especially to Rohini High Court.
I think I might have to go considering the number of challans I've had in the past 2 months.
And these are challans that he's had to physically pay. Right? So what's there on the Parivahan website? No one knows.
This is what I've paid outside of legality. I don't want to watch this video. I'm too scared to watch it. But yeah,
But the gangs involved, I think, are being held by the police in question now. So I think that's good. 3 people died.
yeah.
You got to pay the price for that. But regardless, this is very scary to watch.
Yeah, and I'm thinking of all the people who were inside the court at that time, just hearing the sounds of tuk 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 tuk.
Apart from it being a good story for them later on.
Yeah,
I think.
the
At that time, I think it would have been scary for anyone.
yeah, the fear.
Yeah.
But yes, coming on to Jay's favorite third story, we have something very special.
Look at the passion. Look at the passion.
Average.
No, so
Below average is
Yeah,
what
yeah.
I'll call the goal. Below average is what I'll call the performance by Ronaldo on that
I think
game.
Ronaldo was the worst player on the pitch.
Yep.
On that in that.
You'll
match.
never hear us say anything like that about Messi though.
No.
He's never the worst
Club-
player on the pitch.
He's been pretty bad. Look at the club.
Union has no goals and no assists. Messi's time in Paris will be more challenging than expected. Lionel withers. He sinks his head lower and lower and no longer affects the game.
He's
Bruges
been. Bro, he hit the crossbar. What are you talking
That's
about?
it. That's it.
Imagine
Did
it's his,
nothing
it's his
else.
first game outside the club. But no, Messi's been average. Messi has been bang average for the past 3 weeks.
Ronaldo was below average this game.
He was below average Aston Villa game also.
Aston Villa game, the entire team was average.
Yeah, but Messi's
Newcastle game, Ronaldo was player of the month.
Messi average performances, but not. He's never a liability for the team, is how I like to say it.
I mean, I think that's an entire episode in itself, and Manan has already been taught a lesson talking about these things.
One true goat, King Leo.
The difference in size here.
That's because
indicates
That's
the
because
difference.
Ronaldo needs PR at all times,
Indicates the difference in actual ability as
and
well.
where Messi just needs a simple bobblehead.
But regardless, pathetic performance. United didn't deserve to win again. Got lucky.
Barca deserve to win.
No one should be happy about that win at all. Yeah, but the fact that Real lost to Sheriff, Barca lost 3-0 to Benfica, that just helped me get through the night.
No Europa also this season.
Yeah, fourth out of Champions League. Focusing only on Copa del Rey after that.
Yeah, league already out of the league competition also.
So you're getting the trophy, so that counts. We haven't had a trophy to lift in the last 5 years. So,
Yep. Also, Messi won Copa del Rey with this team last year, with even a worse team than this year.
I mean, Ronaldo won the Copa Italia
Oh,
with the Juventus squad that you know is fighting relegation right now.
I think give it 2 weeks, even Barca would be fighting relegation.
In other news, Neeraj Chopra, what's that word?
Javelin,
Yeah, don't know what's that word.
cred.
Recreated his javelin throw underwater for some reason.
And I think it's about time where we can say that's enough.
Yeah, like you did great.
Congratulations.
Very proud of you.
Wonderful.
Thank you for everything that you've done. But enough is enough, Neeraj.
But coming to our favorite segment,
You guys are in for a banger this time. Banger.
this reel has been brought to us by Jay. I haven't watched it yet. I want to watch it. So yeah,
तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान.
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान.
But you love me, Daddy.
तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान.
I love you, Daddy.
I have a question for the father. Why did you agree to this? I mean, I don't have a question on the guy doing it. He's obviously doing it for clicks. But how did he convince his father that I want to make a reel like this?
So the father didn't know that the camera was there. It was planted, and this is just a way to show love, man.
Next Father's Day, Papa. We are recreating this. And the second reel from this week is one of my least favorite content creators out there. I'm sure she must be putting out some good content as well.
She's very mental health friendly.
Yes.
I think that's
So I'm
props
sure
to her.
so I'm sure she's putting out some good content, but this is not good content.
No,
And
so this is a pet peeve that Manan has. Last month also, he had a point of view video that he didn't like.
yeah.
Again, he has a point of view video that he doesn't like.
One question, Jay. What what is
Are you proud? Are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself?
Why would you make that? Why do you think this is necessary to make and post on your Instagram?
And why do you think someone telling you on Instagram that they're proud of you is helping you go through your day? मेरे को नहीं
External validation, Jay. You might not need it, but a
fuck is
lot,
she to give
a lot of people do. But I just have a question for the people
liking,
Yeah.
sharing, subscribing.
and commenting on this also, saying thanks, needed this. I mean, sure you needed this. I don't know why. You might need it because your day was crap. But why? This week we have a bonus
Point of view video.
bonus reel for you. स्टोरी क्या है इसके पीछे? Are they exes?
Yeah, I think the girl dumped him, so eye contact was awkward.
So
Girl doesn't give fucks till now.
no, but she wanted to leave.
Yeah, that's because she don't want to see his face, ना कि फिर
Or maybe she feels guilty if you see this reaction.
No, ये था कि फिर भय करेगा ये लड़का मेरे को नहीं बात करनी. Yeah, look, she
हाँ,
just
like,
wants to
she's
go
a
away.
cheap
Yeah.
कहेगा मेरे को नहीं बात करनी है
And
इससे.
then he touches her without
again,
consent again.
yep, doesn't work like that.
And then proceeds to.
But then
get wet
I
in the
mean
rain.
walking off,
It's
you
a
can
power move.
you know, but you
Listen,
can
you don't do me any favors. I will do you a favor instead.
oh right, but you can't stand next to each other. That's
You
impossible.
have to
Guys, if
make
if
sure
if
that
you
other
have your
person-
ex within
touching
1 meter
distance.
of you,
Touching distance is wrong.
just
Sorry.
just walk away. You can't have your ex standing next to you.
I think, and also I think this is great cinematography because in the back there is a happy couple.
Oh, see,
Yeah.
that's why we aren't creative. We didn't understand the backstory of it.
Yeah.
I want to watch it again. I also have another question.
Why is there an ATV here?
No. You see all this empty space where you can stand. There's a lot of empty space where you can
But
stand.
there are 4 people.
There are 4 people who have to stand without a mask. Without a mask, just standing there.
प्यार में कोविड थोड़ी हो सकता है.
But I mean, shocking. Also, never stand next to your ex. According to this guy, you can't do it.
It's not like you can't maintain no eye contact. You just don't. You can't.
नहीं हो सकता. Yes, this is the way of having non-toxic exes. Just don't stand next to them. But yes, that's all we have this week on the Pillow Talk Weekly.
This month/week.
Also, if you feel we're very inconsistent with our content, try finding out interesting news articles each week and send it to us, because we honestly can't do it that often.
Yeah.
But if you find good news articles or good reels, please
Share
shoot them into our DMs so that we can.
And we'll give you all a shout out as well.
Yeah. Also, if you feel we're punching down in any of these videos, then I would like to make you realize that all these people have more than 500k followers on Instagram.
That's almost 100 times the followers that we have.
Yeah. So if once we reach 100k followers, we won't be laughing at all of this.
And anyone can punch down on us at that
Yeah, anyone can punch down on us, but this is not punching down. If any of you insensitive,
If anything, it's punching up.
yeah,
So
we want to be like them.
we aspire to get there.
I want to break up with Jay and walk off like that. Yeah, basically.
Alright guys, we'll see you hopefully next week. Otherwise next month. And
One of the two.
if you don't comment, then it'll be next year.
Yeah.
So, see you soon guys.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye bye. Thanks.